Do you guys know affiliate marketing? If you are interested in side hustle, you guys heard of it because it is really popular. What is the affiliate marketing? Let me explain it so quickly. Let's say people go through your affiliate link to the landing page. Then people purchase services or product on that page. You will get a commission, which means this is your income, so you get money. That's it. Correct. In this video, I'm going to share my first experience about affiliate marketing class in Udemy. Before I move on, if you want to know more information about affiliate marketing, or you are struggling how to start affiliate marketing, I can give you a free link down below here. So please click the link and grab this opportunity. And what is the free link here? If you watch this video until the end, I'm going to introduce what it is. Again, this is completely free, so don't miss it out. For this free access link, I'm sure that especially for beginners doing affiliate marketing, it will help you how to start and how to approach the affiliate marketing. It will set your right direction. So please stay tuned and stick this video until the end. Hey guys, this is Peter Park speaking, online side hustler. Welcome to my channel. For me, I heard about affiliate marketing many times, but I never tried it. Why? Because it wasn't right time for me to start something new, and my budget wasn't big enough to pay for these classes from influencers on YouTube. I couldn't imagine how to generate income stream from affiliate marketing. I wasn't confident enough to start with. But affiliate marketing was always in my mind, so I wanted to do that someday, always. So always delayed again. And time passed around 2 years. I didn't do anything until the last year, December 2021. And as a New Year resolution, I finally took the action about affiliate marketing. Finally. And what's happening right now afterward? I'm shooting YouTube. There are so many online classes from many influencers on YouTube attracting people how to generate passive income or how to do online side hustle. But anyway, I went to Udemy because Udemy, the price was affordable for me. You guys know Udemy, right? Udemy is online class platform, and there are many subjects. So if you want to learn something new, you can go to Udemy, and there are many free classes as well. It is definitely worth it. So I went to Udemy and registered a course called Absolute ZBZoo Beginner and ZBZoo Affiliate Marketing for 2022. My first impression? It was okay. Maybe. When it comes to the process of ZBZoo registration in this course, it was easy and simple to follow the instructions. Course length or each course wasn't so long. Each class was less than around 10 minutes or even less than 5 minutes. It was very easy to complete it. However, there is a downside that I didn't expect this course. As you see, this title is about ZBZoo affiliate marketing, but in this whole curriculum, I can say it's only 40% or even 30% covers ZBZoo content. How about the rest of the course? If you see section 4, it is called Wave If You Like Affiliate Program. What is that? That is his own affiliate program for promotion. So I see there's a website and it's like online shopping mall, and there's affiliate program for newbies. Well, that is not what I expected. Personally, it's a bit disappointing. Most importantly, if you expect that this course can make everything for you, no, it's impossible. You cannot make money from this course. In terms of affiliate marketing, it requires your action. You need to take action. That is the important thing first. So again, I'm going to give you a free access link down below here. This will help you what to do and how to approach the affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to share how to approach the free access link down below and share the guide. If you click the link here, you will face this one. So you write your email here, for example. So once you click, then you will face this one. Then there's bonus tip link 1, bonus tip number 2. So I click link 1, and I click link 2. Then you will face these 2 links for free. First one is the lost code. The second one is it takes some time. Yeah, here, the secret weapon. So you see the 2 things. You can make an account and you can access it. So I'm going to share what it is inside. If you look at the lost code here, you can see there's a first section. Here you see welcome message and overview to the lost code, case study and proof, lost code money pages, and so on. There are a lot. So you can get some idea how to start affiliate marketing here. There's a traffic method number 1, free traffic from YouTube. Traffic method number 2, cheap quality traffic from Bing. And traffic method 3 underground traffic sources. So, well, I haven't even watched it yet, but you can see there's every single part, there's a video, and you can learn it how to do this, which is interesting. This is free, that's what I mean. So if you need help, you can go through the link and study how to start affiliate marketing. That's it. And the other one is the secret weapon. If you see, there's a welcome message and also training, overview, the tools of the trade, picking the right offer, crafting your free course and free fee, creating your perfect TY page. I don't know the meaning of TY, but anyway, overview of special opt-in page. You know, there are many things waiting for you. So I'm saying that these things all free. Just you share your email address, then you access the free link here, which is good. And case study here, $255 live case study with 100% free traffic here too. So I don't require you any money, any purchase payments at all. So if you click the link down below, and you can access these 2 things. So hopefully you guys like it, and I'm very happy to help you as well. To sum up, affiliate marketing always requires action. So you have to take action, and this is not short-term make money quickly. This is a business. So you have to see the long term and start it and build your world. I think this is the main point. So it's not only you are doing constantly, but also you have to think what is wrong, what is correct. So I hope you guys get some help from the free link here, and I appreciate to share great information for you. And please click the link down below, and I'm going to come back with new information with a new video. I hope you guys like it, and have a great day. See ya.